Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bittensor. I had to cover it. I have historically made some videos on Bittensor, but not a lot of you are interested in that. Still wanted to cover it because it's been amazing. All right, in the last couple of days, since the 17th of September, it rallied up. It doubled in price. All right, it spiked up to 100% move. This point of time, it's trading a little bit lower. But wanted to give you my thoughts on this. I think Bittensor can get into the top 10 in terms of coins. At this point of time, it's at number 24. But that means that if it gets up there, that's at least another 3x from here, which would mean a price of around $1,500. Do I think that's realistically possible? Yes. Do I think we're going there straight away? No. All right. So that's why I wanted to make a brief analysis. We'll start off with the technicals, then we'll talk about some fundamentals as well. Just in general, Bittensor has seen quite a lot of bullish news, which also helps the price right now. For example, their Grayscale Trust, which you can see right here. It's private placement only at this point of time and only $2.5 million. But what you tend to see is that a lot of these coins actually can perform very, very well. Like a coin like LiveBear, Horizon, Litecoin. They can have these very strong rallies and pumps here and there. Zcash also, but to a lesser extent. And then we also saw some major developments, and just in general, and that's also what's been going on over the course of this morning. It started already last week, but that is that AI is quite strong. And when we're talking about, which you can also see by right here, by the way, if you look at all the categories, AI is in a league of its own right now. It's much stronger than any other coin, which is great, all right? Because I think hopefully most of us actually have some AI in their portfolios. You should have by now. So that's great. And then when you look at these big AI projects, Bittensor is one of the most supported, and also are creating some valuable infrastructure, are supported by some major whales, and they're also buying in. So that's all bullish. Now, when we're talking about the technicals, what really happened, and this is also when I tried to get in, I wanted to get in at 350. Did I get in? No. Some people from the Signal group actually did get in, that they jumped in a bit higher because I did send a signal on it. Because back then we already broke above the significant range we had, right? So we were ranging here, got the breakout here. I should have entered then, didn't. But since then we've gone on this massive rally here, and we also broke above this significant level here, which is kind of it's a bit of a weird level, but the level is right here between 440 and 500. So now, in my opinion, the big question is well, will we be able to hold that level? And I don't see any reason why not. The AI narrative is strong. Bitcoin, even though I do expect some sort of a pullback somewhere soon, is also strong. And I don't think Bitcoin is going to lose its uptrend here. Now, maybe if we look at the momentum for Tau, maybe we can observe some reasons why we should be bearish on this short term. But that's also, I mean, the momentum is still growing here. Open interest is going up. Our RSI is going up. We have a bit of a major short liquidation spike here. So that's a reason why we could pull back. But ultimately, to zoom in a little bit, I do think we will be able to hold this level, right? So get a pullback from this level around 600, I do expect. For two reasons. It's a strong resistance level, psychological resistance level, and Bitcoin is at resistance. So I do expect resistance here. But under these market circumstances, I do also expect this level to hold. And I think we'll be able to get to those all-time highs, which maybe we spiked up higher, but I believe the all-time highs are around 700, maybe something like 730. So I do expect that. All-time high is at 730. So I do expect that. Short term, do expect a bit of a pullback, but I would be very surprised. Like we would need to have some sort of a fundamental shift in the markets for Tau not being able to hold this level here. So I do expect that, and I do expect us going higher from that level, right? So from 440 between 500. But those are my thoughts for now. If you're interested in more updates, I will keep you updated on this. If you're interested in trading Tau, I will probably also send some sort of a signal on that once the price gets near a good entry. So consider joining the group. In general, also profitable. So yeah, it's worth it either way. But those are my thoughts for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.